Welcome to another Tech Toner video. Today's video we will show you how to do an oil change of a Japanese 4-stroke generator. Oil change is a part of routine maintenance of a generator. So how do you know if the oil change of the generator is due? To know this, you have to have information about when was the last service done and how many hours of operation has been done since the last uh, oil change. Once you have this information, then you have to check the manufacturer specification, what the manufacturer has specified, how many hours, after how many hours you need to do the oil change. Normally, depend on the manufacturer, this may vary, but in this case uh, I will do the maintenance of oil change in every 50-hour intervals. So once you have decided that your oil change is due, then you have to decide what type of oil you have to use. So how do you know what type of oil is suitable for your generator? Well, the type of oil depends on the working temperature of your generator. In my case, my generator operates within 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. So I'll be using 10W30 4-stroke engine oil for this oil change. To know what type of engine oil for your generator, please check the operating environment condition and check the graph against the temperature that manufacturer provided to decide what type of oil you have to use. To do an oil change, you need excess oil bin, a box spanner set, a wrench, an SAE 10W30 4-stroke engine oil. Stop. Place the generator on a high platform to access the oil drain plug. Before the oil change, start the generator and let it run for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stop the engine and place the generator on a high platform and slide the oil drain basket directly under the oil drain plug. Now remove the oil drain plug using the correct box spanner. Let the oil drain into the basket below. Tilt the generator towards the oil drain plug to remove the last oil remaining in the oil sump. Once all the oil has drained into the basket below, clean the oil drain plug area and replace the oil drain plug. Remove the dipstick in order to add new oil. As this generator will be operating in temperature range 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, I will be using SAW30 4-stroke petrol engine oil. I am using 350 milliliter oil feeder bottle to input oil. You can either use a funnel that will do the same job.
Once the oil level reaches the dipstick threads, you can stop feeding oil. Clean the excess oil drips and replace the dipstick. Now the oil change procedure is over. Now you can complete the maintenance sticker and paste it on the generator. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope it will support your maintenance work, and please subscribe to support me on this channel. Thank you.